How to sign in to FuturePay? First of all, open your browser and go to the official FuturePay website by typing futurepay.com. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. Next, you will be taken to the login page. Here, enter the email address and password you used when creating your FuturePay account. Make sure there are no typos and double check your caps lock if the password isn't working. If you have forgotten your password, just click the Forget Password link below the login box. Enter your registered email and follow the instructions sent to your inbox to reset it securely. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Login to FuturePay button. If your login details are correct, you will be directed to your dashboard where you can view your account, check balances, manage payments, and access other important features. Now you know how to sign in to FuturePay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.